Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. This simple apple cinnamon cake is light, fluffy, and loaded with fresh apple and cinnamon flavor. In a whisking bowl, beat 4 eggs with 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until whiten. Pour 100 ml of vegetable oil, 200 ml of fresh milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla and continue beating. Add in 2 1/2 cups of sifted all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and whisk thoroughly. Finally, add 3 grated apples, 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, and 3/4 cup of crushed walnuts. Then stir gently. Pour the batter into a greased bundt cake pan. Bake for about 40 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Apple cinnamon cake is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.